So welcome to the module number 4. In this module, we are going to create GMB profile, means creation process of GMB or Google My Business profile. So here I'm going to share my screen. Here I have made one of the PPT as well as we will create by live. Okay. So with that, let me again go to the, what I will do, I will refer this PPT as well as I'll follow in the live in the Google itself to create GMB. So why I made this profile when I was creating my business or some other client's business. So we will face some of there are two things. One is the business which has with the physical address or physical location. The people has to visit there, and some of the business doesn't need to visit that. Okay. There are some of the confusions when you are creating the first time. So for that, to avoid all those confusions, I have made one PPT so that we will follow the steps by referring this PPT. So now let me go to this here. So when you want to create, let me take here this down. So when you want to create this GMB profile, what you need to do is you just click on here. 1 second. I'll stop and reshare. I'm having some glitch here. Again, I'm sharing my screen. Yes, okay. So here we have the PPT. We'll go with this PPT and then next we'll go to this. Okay, we'll switch on from there to here. So now just go to here. What I will do when you want to create the Google My Business, click on here or maybe type here my business. And here, before starting this, very important things, you should have login with your email first thing. And if you have the multiple emails which are logged in, and it will ask that which email ID has to be used. Okay. Now what I did is I removed all my Gmail access to the many of the Gmail. I have open and kept only one so that it will be easy to me to work on this. Okay, now I will enter my business in the Google, and you see that get listed on the Google My Business. Very first it will come. You need to click on that, and you have to check that from which email ID you logged in here. So now I have many here, but I have logged with this one. Okay, so now I will click on this get listed on. Okay, now so it is asking me to sign in. Okay, what I will do, I will sign in. Before that, if you want to read all those things, and even though I will cover many of this about how it will work and everything, now we'll focus on how to create. Now I'll click on this sign in, and yes, when I sign in, it's automatically took the email ID which is already logged in. Okay. So now if you see here, get your business discovered on Google, search, map, and more. Okay. So as I told in my previous email IDs, in session, make sure your business name already ready so that it will be really quick. Okay. So now I'm using this for the testing purpose and for the showing this purpose and demo purpose. I may not be entering my real name here. So I will enter some of the business which I'm thinking and whatever I already know about that. Okay. So now what I will create here, the business name is, I will create, okay, 1 second, I will think about the business. What we call here is that Inayathh Consulting Services. Okay. So this is my business name. Okay. Then once you entered your business name, okay, then I'll switch to my this one PPT here. Okay. So this is the same. Get your business discovered on the Google where we are entering the business name here. Okay. So next we have here that choose your business type. It will ask us to choose business, which kind of business is here. So now I will move to the here, click on this continue. Okay. Choose your business type, online, retail shop, local store, service businesses. Which one is belongs to you? So now read here carefully. Online retail, customer can purchase product through your website. like the Amazon, Flipkart, or any other such kind of website where you click on that and you'll land in some landing page or some product page. You'll shortlist products and you will purchase from that. If you are such kind of business, you select this. Or you or from the local store, customer can visit your business in person. Let's say maybe you are a dentist, a doctor, or maybe welder, or such kind of business. You have only the service where people can visit and take the services. Okay. But in some other cases, you may have the hybrid also. You can select this one. Okay. So now we have the third one, service businesses. Your business makes visit to the customer. Let's say services like maybe you are a digital marketer. Yes, if you have the office, the people can visit, you select the local store. Or maybe you may be having the hybrid as well. You can go to the other office or the people can come to your office. You can select that. Maybe the services like, let's say, I can say that plumber is HVAC, or maybe the welder can go to the other shop, or maybe the people kind of consulting services, they can visit to the other office. Such kind of things you select the service businesses here. Now, when you select the local store, the Google will prompt in some other way. And if you select the service, business will prompt another way. That means there's no significant difference. Yeah, there is, I can say that there is significant difference because when you select the local store, it is asking you to enter the precise address, and the verification is through from the most of the time through the postal code. When you select the service, the verification is going to be through the email verification or video verification or OTP verification. We'll see that in next step. So now what I will do, I will select this service and click on the next. So now enter the business category. This is the what I was telling you when in my previous video, I told that select the choose category before you start this. Okay, I hope already you have done that. Now you will not facing anything here. So now here, if you see that the business category, it is showing that marketing agency as soon as I entered here because I typed many times here. Okay. Let's say you may be having the dental. Okay. Let's say dental clinic will come, dental school will come based on that. Or maybe if you are, like say, I can plumber. Okay. Plumber will come. Or if you see that any doctor, okay, doctor category will come. So like that, many the categories will visible based on what you type here. So now what I will do, I will select marketing agency, okay, and select this from here, and I will click on the next. So next, where do you serve your customer? And this is saying optional, but I would suggest you to go with that. So here it is saying that add area where your business provides deliveries or home and office visits. This will appear on your business profile. Okay, maybe you can say that search and select areas, or you can change and add more in later as well. If you want, you can just skip or enter. So what I will do that I may say that like India, okay, because my service is online and I may visit to the other offices in and around. Okay, so I will select that. Okay, I'll click on the next here. Okay, so now it is asking me to that enter the mobile number. I will want to switch to here that. So we cover this business category and then enter the business category entered. Okay, where do you serve? You select the location. Where do again entered, and here the India or whatever the location you are into that. Next, what contact detail do you want to show to the customers? And this is very, very important, and make sure to not to change every time this. Okay. So now click on this. I will enter 636. Okay, my number is already appearing here because I entered many times, and click next. But wait here. Website, it's showing that optional, but you don't make this as optional. As I told, right now, if you don't have the website, just move ahead with the next, clicking the next. But come back with the website and enter this for sure, because as I told that website will play a very prominent role in the or ranking your businesses. Okay. So now what I will do, I have my whatever the website you let's say I will take the funnel itself as of now, and I will enter this. I'll go back here. I will enter here. Okay, and click next. So now put your business on the map. What it will asking that start connecting with your customer across the Google one. So now what you do that get discovered by people. Why I'm reading that I want you to be read because each option Google is nowadays a very dynamic. It is changing most of the options frequently. So I want you to read. Respond reviews, manage your business details. Okay, now it asking get news. Yes, we will get news and we'll get invitations because we need to get the up to date with the Google's announced terms policies because as I told, it's changing very frequently. Okay, now click on this continue. Now we'll wait for this for the next step. Okay, before that, we'll go back to the our PPT here. So here we'll have the okay, now we are in this step. Please enter your mailing address to verify. Now, click here. We'll go back to the again Google. Verify. Please enter your mailing address to verify. The address you provide here will be hidden from the public. Post office boxes are not visible, not eligible. Sorry. Now, why it is saying not eligible? Because of that, because in these tabs, we selected category as a service. We selected this, service businesses. If you select the local store, it will show that different way. So now what I will show to you, now I will don't enter the addresses and I don't go to the I will take this. I don't go to the verify. I can go with the verify later and I will click this where here. Now, so what I will show you, I want to show you that what if you select there as a local store. Okay. So now what I will do this. I will select as a verify later. So I strongly recommend that you don't verify as soon as you enter the all the details. You skip that, means click on that verify later, go back to your things, you add all the details because we have not added any our hours of working and there are many things, right? We have not added that. Okay. So now what I will do here, okay. So now it is asking us to add your services. So, but now what I will do, I will skip this. Okay. So you see here, it is asking me all the hours and all those things. Right now, I'll skip because I wanted to show something to you. I will skip this as well. Anyhow, I'm not verifying here and I will not even add the photos also here. Skip. Okay. And stand out from the that and start advertising. Okay. Skip here. Okay. Now this also I will skip. Your edits will be visible once you are verified. Okay, because we have not even sent for the verification, but need not to worry on that. Okay, so now what I will do that I will go back to the steps here. I want you to take to the first step where I added category. Okay, so here it is now showing. What I will do, I will go again, skip all the things. I will edit. I will go here again, escape. Okay, and next I'll go to the you are ready to continue. Okay, so now you see that I have not added many things here, but still it is taken as a profile, but it is very incomplete. Okay, so now the customer can't see your business information get verified because we have not started verification itself. Okay, so now what I will do, I'll go here. Okay, it may not be there. I will go and click on edit here. Okay, I will edit the things businesses. Okay, so let's say your business is same, business category may be same. Okay, what I want to show you here is that location, business location, I would edit here. So now show business address to the customers, service area here. So now what I will do, I will edit this, show business area. Okay. If you want to show, it will show, we can show here. If you don't want, you can hide this here. Okay. So more information here. Okay. Now it is taken as a service itself. Let me go here, location. Okay. See what is happening here is that it is not taking the business as a location, because see earlier it was showing that, but now it is not showing. So I want to show you one particular thing, that how will the profile or how it will show when you select as a location of the store. Okay. So now what I will do here is that discard changes. I will say okay. So now I will go to here profile. Now what I will do, I will add a new business profile. Okay. I want to show that particular. So I'm doing this, add a business profile. Means you need not to do this because you are going to create a new profile, or maybe the new brand profile for your business. Okay. But now I want to show here something which that if you are the business owner, your business has the physical location where your clients or customer or leads are coming directly there. Okay. Now earlier, now what I till now shown is that is for the service. Okay. Now again I will go here, start building your business. It is same. Okay. Now I'll go with business. Let's say for example, what I can say here is that so high converting leads. Okay. I'm giving the one business name here. That business name. Now my business category. Okay. Let's say again, I will say that maybe digital marketing or maybe marketing service. In your case, you select your business and click on the next. This video is going to be really long, but you have to. Okay. Do you want to add location? Customer can visit like store or office. If you select the things, yes, this location will show up on Google Map and search when customer are looking for your business. Okay. Now I'm going to click on that. Yes. Click on the next. So now you see that it is asking the business address here, and also verification will happen only with the postal code. Most of the cases, postal, they will send the physical post with the OTP or maybe passcode that you need to enter inside your business profile to verify. So now what I'm going to add here, let's say for example, street, I will add uh, I will add, maybe it's not correct one, 27th cross. Okay. City, I will add Bangalore. Okay. I will just add with caps, Bangalore. Pin code, may add some random physical code, and I'll select the state as a Karnataka. I'm from Bangalore. So I will add address line optional. If you want, you can add here. Now click next. Okay. So now it is asking that where are you located? Okay. Maybe what I will do, you have to select very precisely this. Okay. So maybe you have the option to adjust this. You see here how you can adjust this pin or this, what you can say, the location mark. Here the option we call that adjust. You need to click on this adjust, and then you have the option to move here and there. Let's say for example, I am somewhere here entering. Okay. Let's say you can go again things here there. So once it is done, if you find your exact location, then what you need to do, you need to click done. Okay. So once that is done, you need to click on the next. So next, do you provide deliveries or home and office visits? This is what I was telling. When you select the service is different. When you select the physical location, it will prompt different things. Now, do you provide deliveries or home and office visit? If you say yes, you click. If you know, no. And if you want to know that how it is, For example, if you visit or deliver to your customer, you can let them know where you are willing to go. Okay. Now what we can say that, do you provide deliveries or home and office visits? Yes, I will select this yes and go on the next. Okay. Now, next, search and select areas wherever you are adding the services. Okay, that you can do that. If not, you can go back here and again select the no and click on the next. Okay, you do that based on the things where you are. Let's say if you want to serve some particular area, you need to add there. Again, you need to enter the number here. Okay, then our website is optional here, but I suggest you enter your website. Again, I will enter my website, same website here, click on the next. Okay, then let's wait for this. Okay, now what happened here that you see that verification, verify, select a way to get verified. Google needs to verify that you manage this business profile. Get a PIN code wherever you enter, email business code and business code, and more option is available, then verify later and all. Okay, but now here you see that here it is not showing that postal code. Sometime what will happen, without that also it will get verified, and if that is the case, yes, you can go ahead. But there are the options: phone number, email, business. They will send the some passcode or OTP. We need to do that. Business video, let's say phone code, they send, it is verified, that's well and good. In some cases, email ID, in some cases, video. And also in some cases, it will not give any option. They will give only one and you have to go with that. There's no other option. Okay. Now what I will do, I will not verify now right now. I will go next verify later. So now, if you want to verify, you need to click on that. You continue making that is, do you verify later? Okay. So now, what is happening that, let's say if you click on the next, it will get verify once you enter the OTP or passcode, which is sent to your mobile or email. If not, it will ask that video. Okay. And if not, it will ask the your postal code verification. Postal code verification, it will take somewhere around 14, minimum 14 to 14 days, and it may go more than that based on the where the country you are or the holidays and all it will take. Okay. So now this is the way basic details you can add. Now it's not completed our profile. Okay. It's very raw what we did right now. Okay. So now what I will do that again for this, it is asking that enter all the things. Now we have here that marketing agency, whatever we added the category, that we added only one category. And that is the very important because that is going to be your primary category. Now you can add additional categories up to 10, 15 you can add, but don't add more and more, restrict to maybe 5 to 6, that is well and good. Now, whatever you are adding, those are going to be a secondary category, sorry. Okay, that is secondary category. Now here you see that marketing agency, affiliate marketing and all those things are asking to enter. Let's say for example, I select maybe one digital marketing and that's all. If it is show more. Don't see service you offer, create your own. Means let's say the categories, when you are, let's say show more, you click on that. And if you find that no categories here, you can have the option to add the services. Okay, let's say for example, Facebook ads. Sometime it will show or sometime it may not show, based on the things. Okay. Okay, it is not showing. Let's say maybe SEO, that may be it search engine optimization. Okay, click here. This is added. Like that, you need to clicks. So add services extra. You can, if you see here, if not available, click on this add services. Okay. If you don't want to do this, click always. Skip next. So now we added the primary category in the first. Now we are added here secondary category. Now we'll go to the next here. Okay, so now what we are going to add here, that it is asking that add the business hours. And this is very, very important and very critical. be genuine here and be authenticate, because the business hour you serve, you have to enter here. Because I saw the many business owners, they just click on that we are available or 24 bar 7. And let's say you assume that why, because there is a reason the people do that like a blindly without knowing the consequences. They think that if you do 24 hours, your ranking will come more. This is kind of some what I can say belief is there in the business owner, but don't do that. Whichever date, whichever the hours you do the business, you do that. Let's say for example, if you put the 24 bar 7 and I visited your service or business at 9 p.m. Monday, if you're not located there, if you're not open, I will give the bad feedback on your profile, and that is ruin your business. This is the one consequences. Like that, many consequences can happen. Now select the, let's say for example, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, or whatever. And opening hours you can add, let's say for example, 9 a.m. to maybe 9 a.m. to uh, 9 a.m. to where is PM? Yeah, 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. And again, here I'll add something like, again, opening hour 10 a.m. And maybe I can go with the 2:30 p.m. Okay, like that. Or maybe you can add here, let's say people will select 24/7. Don't do that. If really you are available 24/7, then you can select. No issues on that. Okay. So next, let's say for example, 7:30 a.m. and I'll go select here 5 p.m. I'm selecting randomly. Okay, you select when you are available and doing the business on that places. Okay, and then next I will select, let's say for example, 8:30 p.m. Okay, you selected all the things and click on the next. Maybe you select as per your availability and days and time. Next, click done. So next, add business description. And this is really important. What business you do, you need to enter. Let's say for example, again, you are a physician, or you are a welder, or you are a plumber, or you are a AC technician, or you are having the tours and travels, or you are having anything. Okay, you need to enter that. Let's say for example, we are digital marketing agency or company provide company provide services services like services like meta ads, automation. I want you to be write very in detail manner, because this will also help the people who visit your the shop or service or location, whatever you are doing. Next, click on the next. Okay. So anyhow, this I think see this I will again show you in the next video. Okay. So next, what I will do, I will skip this all the things. I have one more module next, GMB completion. This is all about that. Just I wanted to create and show the how you can going to create the GMB profile. So next, again adding the description, working hours, and again also adding the photos and everything I will cover once again in that session. Okay, don't worry on that. Okay. Now your edits will be visible once and you are verified. Next, I'll click continue. I have not verified here because this is just I'm making the video and creating. This is not my real business. The locations are the business names. Okay. So if you see that here, high converting leads is created, not publicly visible. And we also created one more, that business is also before to this. Okay, both are not verified because I don't want to verify, because those are not real businesses. So this is how you can create your GMB profile. And whatever we did, this very raw, we have not verified, and we have not even completed. And next session or next module, I'm going to complete the GMB module, GMB Google My Business Profile, how to complete all the things. Okay, I will do until the verification. because I will not do verification, because that anyhow that is going to be not verified, because I will not enter my OTP or any credential. I'm not going to give that. Okay. So as I told that this video really was very long, but that was needed to us to cover many things here. I hope you understood how to create the Google My Business and Google My Business profile. So with that, I want you to go ahead and play again, watch, pause, and create your GMB profile as you want for your business, because this is very, very important. Okay. With that, I'll be seeing you in the next module, where that is I'm going to talk about completely again the how you can complete that, and some of things may repeat, but that is well and good for you people, because it will repeat. Okay. So with that, I'm ending this session. Take care. Thank you. Bye.